How to embed YouTube video on Wix website. So in order to embed your YouTube video on your Wix, what you can do is you first need to head over right here to your YouTube and then locate the video that you wish to use. So on my case, I'll head over and then just choosing here this first one that I can see. Now just wait for this to successfully load. Once it's loaded, head over and click on the disk share option. And then in here, you can see this embed option. So head over and click on that. You can see this embed video. So head over and click on copy. Then head back right here to your Wix and click onto this plus icon. Now on your plus icon, you should be able to see the actual category, which is quick add. Scroll down from there and then just drag and drop iframe into any part of the website that you want to put it. Now into this, head over and click onto this enter code. And then just input right here the code that you want and click on to this update. So this code is from YouTube. So you should be able to see here the YouTube video playing right here. And you can just resize it in order to choose in here the actual size of your embedded video. So that's how you embed YouTube video on Wix website. Hope we helped.